So how can you free up some hidden space on your Android phone? Let's get started. So a lot of people are aware of the fact that obviously you can uninstall apps and delete some photos, but there are still some hidden files in the background which you don't necessarily see, but they still take up a huge amount of storage. And in order to scan for those, you will most likely need a third-party scanner app for it. And while there are many options you can explore, I would recommend you to get an app called SDMate. And using this app, which is, by the way, free to download on the Play Store, and it has a lot of downloads and reviews, so it's pretty reliable. So using this app, you can perform a bunch of different scans. So this app has features like app cleaner, system cleaner, deduplicator, app control, and some other things in here as well, which allows you to browse all of those hidden files which might take up storage, right? So there are so many different apps and like files on my phone which take up even like 2 GB of storage, which I don't really need, so I can easily just clear those and be good with it, right? So it is one of the good things. It is really necessary nowadays to have such a cleaner app, and as I said, this is the one which I would recommend you to get. So obviously perform all of the scans and make sure that your device is clean and no unnecessary files are clogging up your storage. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.